back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a highly requested video, and that is a cook with me video, and I'm going to cook in this video 5 dinners with you. So I am going to share with you my meal plan for the week. I also filmed a Tesco grocery haul of everything that we got for this week, just in case you want to see the bits that we bought. And now I'm obviously going to share with you the meals that I'm cooking with those things. So I've got my meal plan here, just in case you want to screenshot or just have a look. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you everything that we're cooking this week, what we're having for dinners. I usually prepare 5 dinners because at the weekends we usually have a takeaway, go out, or maybe we have leftovers. So I don't usually plan 7 dinners, even though obviously we have to eat at the weekends as well. 5 dinners, if I plan, that's plenty for us. So yeah, I hope you enjoy cooking with me today. So I'm getting started on dinner. This is the first dinner that we're going to make. It's a creamy linguine. I've got Victor here. He's watching some Peppa Pig while he's having his dinner. So excuse the background noise. But I have got the salmon that I'm going to use, asparagus, linguine, obviously. I've got some creme fraiche for the sauce. I've got shallot, 2 garlic cloves, vegetable stock, which I'm probably going to use maybe half of this. And then I've got some Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to grate as well. I'm going to start by peeling these and chopping them up. And then I'll start cooking the linguine separately in a pot, and then cooking the salmon in there as well. And then I'll flake it with a spoon, like a wooden spoon, as it cooks. Oh, and I've also got some olive oil, salt and pepper. This is mainly for the salmon.
Trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
We are making the Pregnant Jewels pasta tonight. It's a really simple one, but it's so delicious. So for this, I'm going to need a few ingredients. So I've got olive oil, salt and pepper. I'm also going to need oregano and some basil as well. So that's what I'm going to use for this. And then I've got celery, carrots, red onion, 3 garlic cloves. The recipe is a little bit different than what Jamie says on his website, but this is just kind of what I usually use. I've got some Parmesan that I'm going to grate. I've got some sausages. I like to use these. You kind of mix all of this in a blender, just to kind of blend it all up, which I'm going to show you how I do. And then I've got penne pasta, some tomato passata, and then a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to use. It's really simple, really quick, and it's so, so delicious.
Cause I love you, was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance. But nobody tells me good things about you, baby. I'm gonna stay right here, and I don't mean maybe. I can't let you go. I can't let you go. Yeah. I can't let you go. Yeah. I can't let. I can't let. I can't let. Yeah. I can't let. I can't let. Yeah. You can't tell me to let go, baby, 'cause I love you. I love you. Yeah. 'Cause I love you. Yeah.
We are making tonight the crispy chicken stir fry with broccoli. It's a really simple recipe, but I really love it. I make it every once in a while. So I just have some diced chicken breast, some tender stem broccoli. I've got fine egg noodles. I'm gonna use 2 nests of this, so basically half a pack. One for me, one for my husband. That's usually enough for us. And then for the like sauce thing that I'm gonna make for it, I'm gonna use some garlic cloves. I've got 2 here. I've got olive oil, salt and pepper, some soy sauce, a bit of honey, and then I'm gonna put some sesame seeds on top. So it's really simple. I'm just gonna crisp the chicken basically in a pan. Then I'll add the broccoli, cook it for a bit in a bit of the water from the noodles, which I'll just pop in there, and then add the sauce bits, and that's about it. So it's not too complicated, but it's really delicious.
I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. 'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. I got love. Some people cruise, some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason.
Tonight for dinner we are making some bruschetta. It's a really simple recipe, but I'm just gonna use some ciabatta bread. I'm gonna use 3 of these, and I'm gonna slice them up. And then I'm gonna spread some butter on them. I've got some cherry tomatoes, garlic, some basil leaves, ham, and then some cheese on top as well to melt. And this is all gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes, I think. It just kind of depends on how quickly it all melts. I just want this to be a bit crispy and the cheese melted, and that's going to be done. So yeah.
'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. I got love. Some people
tonight we're making the warm roasted salad. It's one with aubergine, feta cheese, croutons made from ciabatta bread. So I'm gonna cut these up and pop them in the oven, just in a simple pan for about 15 to 20 minutes, not even 20 minutes maybe, but yeah, just to kind of roast these two a little bit. And then I'm gonna cook lentils only for a little bit in a pan here with the shallot and garlic. Then I'm gonna make a sauce in here, which I'm gonna show you. So I've got for that olive oil, a bit of honey, a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, and I've got salt and pepper as well, just to kind of season everything. And then these I'm gonna make in the oven for about 8 minutes, I think. So I just cut them into pieces and I pop them in the oven for about 8 minutes. And then I serve it with the rocket and with the feta cheese. So yeah, I'll show you how I make this now.
Just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you. You're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling from the stress that I'm feeling, I need you. I'll be there. I just need your love, and I long for your touch. Won't you tell me I'll be there? Your loneliness kills me, but your love.
I hope you enjoyed today's cook with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing these dinner recipes. Maybe it gave you some ideas you could try this week. I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye guys.